doing it, I'm also doing it. I saw everybody else doing it, so I also did it. पाकिस्तान और हिंदुस्तान में बैठे हुए लोग पता है क्या समझते हैं? समझते हैं आप लोग बड़े सुखी हैं यहां पर। उन बेवकूफों को देखो, आपसे ज्यादा तो परेशान है ही कोई नहीं। हाँ? वो सब समझते हैं आप बड़े मजे में, इसलिए इधर भागने की दौड़ लगाते हैं। मेरे आज एक नौजवान ने मेरे से पूछा, आपने एलए देखा? मैंने कहा हाँ, होटल की 9वीं फ्लोर से सिर्फ खिड़की से देखा बस। तो नीचे जाके नहीं देखेंगे? मैंने कहा हरगिज नहीं, मैंने क्या देखना इधर? जितना कम देखूंगा उतना ही सौखा रहूंगा। हाँ, मैंने तुम्हारी तरह परेशान थोड़ी होना है। ये भी मिल जाए, वो भी मिल जाए, ये भी मिल जाए, वो भी हो जाए, ये गाड़ी भी हो जाए, वो गाड़ी भी हो जाए। हाँ, you know, my heart cries when I see a Muslim young man talking about a BMW or a Mercedes. हाय 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 हाय, कहां इस्तेमाल हो रही हैं इनकी सलाहियतें? We don't realize how far away we are from the kind of life we should be leading, my dear brothers. How do I tell you? My heart bleeds and it cries. You know, I look at them and I say, they've given us everything of theirs. We have their cars, we have their houses, our children study in the same schools as theirs. We use their hospitals, we use their mobile phones, we use every little facility, every facility that they are using themselves, they have given it to us. सऊदी अरब चले जाओ ना, वो तुम वहां पर 50 साल भी रहो, वो तुम्हें अपना पासपोर्ट नहीं देंगे। इन्होंने तो अपना पासपोर्ट भी दे दिया तुम लोगों को। हाँ, हाँ, इनके बहुत एहसान हैं तुम्हारे ऊपर, तुम लोग इनके एहसानों तले दबे हुए हो। हाँ, हमने क्या दिया इनको? हमने क्या दिया इनको? देना तो हमें था। We were the givers. 2006 के अंदर we were doing our in the year 2006. Myself and Saeed Anwar and Saqlain Mushtaq, we were doing our 7 months in UK. अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त ने कबूल किया, हमें तौफीक मिली। 7 महीने अल्लाह के रास्ते में यूके कॉन्टिनेंट में हम लगा रहे थे। बर्मिंघम से, our Jamaat was in Birmingham. A gentleman came and he said, Brother Junaid, that part of Birmingham is our masjid, and I want, I request that please bring your Jamaat to that part of Birmingham. We have a beautiful masjid, and the surrounding that we live in, there is not a single Gora over there. I said, how did you manage that? You live in their country, and how come in the whole area, the whole mohalla, why aren't there any Goras over there, by the way? He says, that was easy. I said, what happened? He says, 20, 30 full families of ours, we moved into an area and everybody left. हाय, मर्द भी हंस रहे हैं, औरतें भी हंस रही हैं। I said, actually, it should have happened the other way around. It should have happened the other way around. You would have moved into a community, and those British people should have said, oh my God, how lucky we are, Muslims are coming here. Let's be their neighbors. Let's be their neighbors. They are very nice people. Yes, they are very straight in their dealings. They always speak the truth. Their women, they are very faithful to their husbands. They should have actually told their women to make friends with your wives. so that your wives could teach them how to be a faithful mother, how to be a faithful wife, and a good mother. This is the way it should have happened. They should have told their children, make friends with their children. You know, their children are very obedient to their parents. Isn't that the way it should have happened? Rather than them running away. He says, that's true. So it's actually, I am the one who is a source of making others go away from the life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am the one to be blamed. Nobody else. Please do not point your finger at anybody else. I am the one. Because they look at me. Acha, ye Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ka ummati hai. Let's look at him. How is he leading his life? Do you know? There was a non-Muslim who was neighbor to Hazrat Abdullah bin Mubarak rahmatullah alayhi, who was one of the greatest Shaykhul Hadith of his time, Abdullah bin Mubarak. So one day, this non-Muslim, he was selling his house. The actual amount of the house was 1 lakh dirhams. He was selling it for 10 lakh dirhams. He was selling it for 10 lakh dirhams. So one of the Muslims came in and he said, listen, this is the actual price of this land is 1 lakh. Okay, 2 lakhs, fine. You're taking 10 lakhs? He says, yes. Why are you taking 10 lakhs? He says, I know the actual amount of the house is 100,000 dirhams. But my dear brother, you will never ever be able to find a neighbor like Abdullah bin Mubarak. The other 9 lakhs are because I am his neighbor. I am giving you the neighborhood of Abdullah bin Mubarak. So my dear brothers, believe me, we are the problem, nobody else. We are the problem. But Allah Rabbul Izzat is very kind. Allah takes nothing away. He will take nothing away. Absolutely nothing away.